starting around $36,000. A great option for those who want an electric SUV with long range and plenty of features without breaking the bank. The Chevrolet Bolt EV has been a leader in affordable electric vehicles and continues to impress with its 2025 model. With 200 horsepower, 259-mile range and 100 miles of range in just 30 minutes of charging, starting at $27,000. The Bolt EV remains one of the best affordable electric vehicles, offering solid performance and impressive range. BYD's Dolphin is an exciting electric car coming to markets worldwide, especially for those looking for an affordable option with solid features. With an estimated 94 horsepower, 205-mile range, and 40-minute charging, as we move into 2025, the electric car market continues to expand rapidly. With advancements in battery technology, affordability, and infrastructure, owning an electric car is becoming more accessible than ever. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 affordable electric cars of 2025, each offering excellent range, performance, and incredible value for money. The Nissan Leaf has been one of the most successful electric cars in the world, and the 2025 version is better than ever. With 214 horsepower and a 250-mile range on a single charge, plus 80% charging in just 40 minutes starting around $30,000. The Nissan Leaf continues to offer great value with a perfect blend of efficiency, practicality, and affordability. The Fiat 500 Electric is an iconic city car that's now fully electrified, offering an affordable, compact option for urban drivers. With 118 horsepower, 190-mile range, and 35-minute